What you're looking at here is another Union Industrial round motor. This one, however, is a bit thinner. This is the newer, thinner motor. They changed it in 1980, downsized it a little bit. And yeah. It is labeled Union Ngok Kee, model A2. Well, at least I'm assuming that's what it is since the tag is wiped off. But starting on low. For testing purposes, I'm using the Hunter 2 amp wall control, 3 speeds, capacitor values of 5 and 10. Low speed is rather aesthetic, although fast enough to be useful still. Now we're going to medium speed. Medium speed is useful, pretty average. Which is always nice. Now we're going to high. And has a bit of wobble. The difference is slight, but it's not quite as fast as the thick motor. However, it is not useless either. It's a pretty good amount of air. Now we're turning it off. I found this one at some construction supply place out in Pittsburgh. So, for those who know, I have been looking for a round/spherical motor union forever. major childhood fan to me. I remember seeing one in an auto dealership when I was a kid, and I've been wanting one ever since. So I'm very happy to finally have one, or two actually, since I also have the older one with the thick motor. Hung the fan on a ball socket mount for the time being, since the bushing for the J-hook mount had completely disintegrated. So, to make it useful, I just slapped on a ball and, well, here you go. Bearings are smooth, quiet, and there you have it.